In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove page numbers from your Microsoft Word document. This is a simple and effective way to clean up your document, especially if you're working on something like a draft or a document where page numbers may not be necessary. Let's dive right in. First off, make sure you have your Microsoft Word file open. Once you have your document ready, we need to navigate to the top ribbon where the main menu is located. This is where we can find all the necessary tools you'll need. Now you're going to look for the tab that says Insert. This tab is specifically designed for adding elements to your document, like pictures, tables, and of course, page numbers. Clicking on it will reveal a new set of options underneath. Within this Insert tab, focus your attention on the section labeled Header and Footer. This area is crucial for tasks involving page numeration and other related functions. Here you'll see an option called Page Number. When you click on it, a drop-down menu will appear, offering several choices for adding and formatting page numbers. Now, if you just want to remove those page numbers, all you have to do is click on Remove Page Numbers. This action will immediately strip any existing page numbers from your document, leaving all pages unmarked, clean, and ready for whatever you might need next. The process is that easy and takes just seconds to complete. A couple of tips to keep in mind. If you're planning to modify only specific pages, you might want to revisit the Format Page Numbers area for more tailored options. That way, you can fully control exactly how and where page markings appear in your work. It's always good to know that Word offers such flexibility. So there you have it. In just a few steps, you've learned how to easily remove page numbers from your Microsoft Word document, efficiently and quickly. This can be particularly useful for draft versions or printed materials where page numbers could be a distraction or aren't aligned with the style you're looking to achieve. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful and that it enhances your experience using Microsoft Word. If you enjoyed the video or have any other topics you'd like us to cover, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more handy tips and tricks for your everyday tasks. Until next time, happy editing.